on continuing with the string functions. Next is replace, where it replaces a string with another string, and the syntax for that replacing string is string dot replace original with new one. And next function is split, which returns a list where text between the specified separator becomes a list item, and with the syntax string dot split with separator and max split. Next function count, which returns the number of times a specified value which appears in the string, and the syntax of count function is string dot count the value which is having starting and ending point. Few more string functions which are helpful in understanding the fundamentals of Python are index, which helps in finding the first occurrence of the specified value, and it rises and accepting if the value is not found. And the syntax for this index function is string dot index value, which is having once again start and ending point. Next is find function, which finds the first occurrence of the specified value, and it returns to -1 if the value is not found. And the syntax is string dot find value with start and ending point. Next function is format, which is specified value or values and insert them inside the strings placeholder, and the placeholder is defined using curly brackets, and the format function method returns the formatted string, and with the representation of syntax string dot format value 1, value 2, and it goes on to format the string. Next is alpha. It returns true if all the characters are alphabet letters from A to Z, and for example of characters that are not alphabet letters, so these are special characters just like hash, percentage, ampersand, etc. And the syntax is string dot is alpha. Next is lower, so which returns true if all the characters are lowercase, otherwise it represents false. And numbers, symbols and spaces are not checked here, only alphabet characters are checked with the help of syntax string dot is lower. Is digit, which helps in returns true if all the characters are digits, otherwise it will represent false, like exponents, power terms are considered to be a digit. And syntax for the is digit is a string dot is digit. Next is a check string, to check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. Example, check if Python is present in the following text. So the keyword in is case sensitive Python is equal to Python. That means this P is different from this P, so which is the case sensitive example. String concatenation, so here to combine or concatenate two strings, it can be used plus operator. For example, A is equal to rank under the string and B is equal to book under the string. So the value of C will be A plus B. If we print up the value of A and B, which looks like rank book. Similarly, to add up a space between these two values of A and B, we can give up the space. That means, so A is equal to rank under the string and B is equal to book under the string. If you specify particular space between them, so after print, so it will look like rank space book. So here the space is provided for two variables, rank and book. Next is formatting types. So inside the placeholders, it can be added a formatting type to format the results. So these are all the formatting types: colon with left aligns, colon with right aligns, which results within the available space, and colon with center align, and colon with comma as a thousand separator, colon with underscore, it is also as a thousand separator, colon B binary format, colon F fixed point number format, colon O octal format, colon X hexa format with uppercase X, and colon N, it is a number format, and colon percentage format.